Hello viewers. So in previous video we saw uh, for loop, and in this video we will see while loop and do while loop. So in for loop there is a syntax. For loop there is a for condition and then body. In while loop there is a while then condition then body, but we have to initialize the variable before the loop, and before the loop, and then while loop gets started, and and after that this counter variable increment get incremented after the after the form of, or after the uh, value get printed. Okay, so for that we will open our Eclipse and try to perform the operation. So for that we have to open Eclipse IDE, and we are launching our Eclipse IDE. So Eclipse IDE is basically IDE used to develop, to write a code. And here is inside package explorer we created one project, and inside src folder we created one package called Java Basics. Inside that package we will create one class. We will give the class name this time is while do while. Okay, so we'll create a main method, click on finish. So here our class name while get created. Okay, so while do while. Okay, sorry. And so the syntax of while loop is while condition then one. But before that condition we have to initialize the variable, and we are initializing the variable from 0. Okay, so let's try to put. So we will create one integer variable of int I is equal to 0, initializing from 0, and then while parenthesis opening closing. Okay, inside that while loop we have to give condition. So we are giving condition I is less than or equal to 100. Okay, so inside that we will print value of I. Okay, after that we will increment the counter of I. So for that, I plus plus semicolon. Now our setup get ready, and let's see what will show. Okay, so you can see the value from 0 to 100 get printed. If we don't want 0, we have to start the variable from 1. Okay, save the program, run the program. You can see 1 from 1 to 100, all the values get printed. If we don't want this value in separate line, so we have to put we have to remove println. Instead of println, we have to put only system.out.print. and and for for after one value, we have to print one space. Okay, so run the program. You can see all the values get printed. But in this, what is happening? While loop, before the while loop, the variable get initialized, and in while loop, the variable is get printed until this condition get false. Okay, so this is do while loop, and now we'll we'll see do while loop. Okay, so do while loop, the syntax is do. We have to do, then body, and then while and condition and semicolon. That's it. This is the syntax basically. So for that, we have to initialize. We will initialize one variable int j is equal to 1. Okay, now do. So here we print j. Okay, and after that, while condition, while condition and semicolon. So what will be the condition? I is less than or equal to 100. Okay, so this is basically do while loop. Now for the output differentiation, we will put one message here and do while out. Okay, and we will put same here also while output. Okay, save the program and run the program. Oh, so it is printing in a same line because we used print here. Okay, so for that we have to put one more yes one system.out.println. Save the program, run the program. Now what is the output? So output is do while output is 1. So here we haven't incremented the counter. That's why we are not getting a result here. We printing only the initial value and the counter not get incremented. So we'll increment the counter j and j plus plus. Okay, now save the program and run the program. Everything will go to what's going wrong. Counter start from 0. Okay, let's try. It's not working. Why it is not working? Do while condition. Oh, basically we have to put this int before the while. Okay. Oh, errors. What is the error? Hmm. Oh no. So we used I here instead of J. So we have to change that. J plus plus. What we are doing wrong? Do mm, Hmm. Now it is fine. So basically our mistake was we haven't used J here. Instead of J, we used I. So that problem or error is getting. Now it's fine. Or we are getting our output. We want it in a single line. So for that we have to, instead of ln, we use print. And same here we use plus space and counter. We will start from 1 and rerun the program. So now we are getting the output. Okay, so this is uh, while and do while. um, I hope you understand the working of while and do while. That's it for now. We will in next. Okay.